we're going to look at some strategies for solving two-digit addition problems. So let's say our story is about Jake and he's collecting baseball cards. He already has 26 baseball cards and he goes shopping and he gets another 17. So our question is, how many baseball cards does Jake have now? One strategy for solving the problem is to separate the tens and the ones. We call that expanded form. So to do that, I would remember that 26 is the same as 20 plus 6. And I can remember that 17 is the same as 10 plus 7. So my addition problem is the same. I've just written it in a different form. When I do this, I can see that adding tens might help me get my answer quickly. 20 plus 10 equals 30. I might underline the numbers I've added just to help me to stay organized. The next numbers I need to add are 6 plus 7. Since we have practiced doubles and doubles plus 1, I'm going to remember that 6 plus 7 equals 13. The last step in this strategy is to add these two numbers together. 30 plus 13. I could remember my tens again, that 30 plus 10 equals 40. I could count up 41, 42, 43 to know that the total baseball cards that Jake has now are 43. Another strategy for solving the same problem is to use a number line. This number line already has numbers written on it, but if it didn't, I could create my own, starting with 26. That's how many baseball cards Jake has at the beginning of the story. He gets 17 more. So I need to add on from 26, 17. The best way to do that, or the easy way, is to remember what I know about tens and ones. So I'm going to add on 10 first. Starting with 26, adding on 10 is going to bring me right up to 36. After that, I need to add on 7 more, so I could count up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that brings me back to 43, which agrees with my first answer. Good to know that. Another way to solve the same problem is to use a 100 chart. I'm going to find the number 26. Those are the baseball cards Jake had in the beginning of the story. He got 17 more. I know that when I add on a 100 chart, the columns change by tens. So 26 plus 10 will bring me to 36. I can add on 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to show me that Jake's cards now total 43. 26 plus 17 equals 43.